Shenzhen Samsonite Technology Company Limited. Established in 2011, based in Shenzhen, Guangdong, with 15 years of expertise in export experience, R&D, manufacturing, specializing in customized portable monitor solutions. Our team includes experienced R&D engineers who drive innovation, ensuring swift product development and customization services for material replacement, labels, packaging, color, size, logos, and graphic design under our slogan, Innovative All-in-One Display Solutions. Encapsulates our dedication to providing cutting-edge, versatile display solutions. Boasting full independent intellectual property rights and a reputable brand SIBOLAN, we operate a 2,000 square meters factory with dust-proof zones, 2 automated lines, and a skilled workforce of 80 employees, including 25 engineers. Rigorous 5-stage quality control ensures premium products like triple, dual monitors, OLED monitors, high-refresh gaming monitors, and portable monitors ranging size from 10-24 inches, widely used in workstation, entertainment, education, gaming, commercial or industrial and global OEM solutions. Renowned for flexible customization capabilities, we support clients from prototyping to mass production, serving as a trusted partner for global distributors. We have successfully developed an expansive network of agents for our SIBOLAN brand while supporting both OEM and ODM orders. We serving markets in North America, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Oceania, the Middle East, Eastern Asia, South Asia. Our annual export includes a diverse range of products, ensuring customer satisfaction with our 12-month warranty and flexible customization services. Our products meet international standards with multiple certifications including CE, ETL, UL, KC, HDMI, FCC, and RoHS, demonstrating our commitment to quality and industry recognition.